Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing y'all something that a lot of you probably have throughout your life, and it might remind you of your grandma or your mama or whoever, but this has just been an old family favorite, and that's some red eye gravy. Now we, in our neck of the woods, we eat it on some grits. You have some biscuits you can sop it in, but it's some good stuff. So I'm going to show y'all just how simple it is. It's just a few ingredients. Now the ham, the traditional red eye gravy, you're supposed to use the country ham, but I've used it with ham steaks and it's pretty good. But and this is the type of ham I'm talking about when I say country ham. Now you won't find it in the you won't find it with your like hams, your whole hams and stuff. Normally there's a little rack near the meat department and it's got these little ham packets on it, and this is what you're looking for. Now of course this has been cured with salt, and if it's too salty you can always soak it overnight in some water, some milk. But anyway, this is what we're doing. All this is, and it is so simple, is just frying this little country ham, and I'm going to be putting some coffee in it, and a little bacon grease, maybe a little smidge of butter, and a little water. We're just going to cook it down, but y'all, it is some goodness. So, let's get to cooking this. Alright y'all, I'm going to start mine out with a little bacon grease. Just give it a little bit in here. You want it to, when we cook this ham, you want there to be little leftover bits in it. And that's going to be your little goodness that's going to make your gravy so good. I'm also going to put just a little bit of butter, just for a little bit more flavor. And let's see, I didn't get nothing, but here we go. Just for a little flavor in there. Now, got these ham steaks ready. I'm just going to drop them in there. And you don't, these are super thin. You see how thin these are? They're really thin. They're not going to take too terribly long, but you do want to brown them. Get them a little crispy. That's what you want on the left in the pan. Alright. It's just a sizzling away. Time to flip it over. There you go. I like to do it in my old cast iron pan. I don't know about y'all. You do this little recipe. If y'all make this recipe, tell me what you eat red eye gravy on in your parts.
Have you ever heard of red eye gravy?
And have you ever heard of it? That's exactly right. It's something super common in the South. Yep. Everybody indulges in some of this. Yep. But got my little grits already cooked there, waiting on it. So this only takes a few minutes. A lot of people don't realize how simple it is to do it either. But anyway, I'm just going to cook it a little bit, maybe about 2 or 3 minutes on each side, and I'll show you what it looks like when it is ready to start making that gravy. Alright y'all, these are about ready to come out. It's just cooked up. Like I said, it didn't take long at all with these as thin as they are. Yummy. Now you see all those little bits and goodies right there?
Right there.
Honey, baby, that's what you want right there.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
That's what we're looking for. Now I've got a cup of coffee. I'm just going to pour right on in there. And what we're going to do, we're going to work out all these little bits in the bottom. Look at that color already. And I know a lot of people don't realize coffee goes in it, but it surely does.
That's the main ingredient.
That's the main ingredient. And some people will put a little ham flavoring in here. Now I'm going to put maybe about a fourth of water in there as well. And we just want this to cook down. And of course I'm going to season mine just a little bit. I haven't tasted the ham, so I don't know how salty it is. So I'm not going to salt yet until I give it a little taste.
Well, chances are the ham is salty.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's taste this ham.
But country
stuff.
ham is supposed to be salty.
I'm gonna just taste a little piece. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I don't think we need much salt. I personally don't absolutely love country ham. Russell does.
I do. I'm a fan. It's not good for you. I know. All the doctors on our channel that are watching the video, I know it's
We
just an
understand.
indulgence. You don't eat this kind of stuff every day.
No.
But my family grew up. They salt cured meat, so you had to do what you had to do when you didn't have a refrigerator.
Yep.
So this is how you ate your food.
That's
so.
right. And I feel personally like I just licked a salt block, like the deer get. But anyway, I don't think I'm gonna be adding much salt. But look at it, it's just cooking away.
There's that red color, y'all. Look at that.
Yummy, it's coming. Yummy.
Looking good.
Like I said, you can add more little ham flavoring in this if you want to. But this is honestly just what you're looking for. We were just talking about it just now, and I said, I wonder where this first originated. And so Russell looked it up. Tell him what it said, Russell.
Well, the wiki says that Andrew Jackson said he wanted his red eye gravy as red as his bloodshot eyes. Apparently he had been drinking.
Oh,
and
goodness.
To go with his ham, it's traditionally served with ham here in the South. I've heard people eat it over biscuits,
grits,
and grits.
Yeah.
But most every time I've ever had it, it's been with country ham. But
oh yeah.
Then I've also read that it has coffee in it. People would eat it in the evening time to keep them up, so they'd have it with supper where they could stay up a little later.
So their eyes was bloodshot from staying up so long, and they ate it to stay awake. Is that what it is? Red eye gravy, whatever it is called, or whatever the reason it is called. It really is some good stuff, and it's super easy to do. We're just gonna let this reduce maybe by about half of what it is, but and it's gonna be ready to go, and we're gonna eat it over them grits. Okay, y'all, this gravy has cooked down. I got us some grits, I got us a biscuit, and I'm just gonna pour this over this ham and all. Look at all that goodness, Russell.
What?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. We always eat it on our grits too. Look at that. Yummy. You ready to eat it?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, it's tasting time. We got us some grits and some ham, some good old country ham and red eye gravy, Russell.
Yeah. I'll be honest, I was not a fan of red eye gravy when I was growing up. My daddy loved it. He ate it a lot. And he was also a big fan of the country ham, and I didn't like either one. I thought, like Rhonda said, the ham was salty and the red eye gravy was bitter.
Yeah.
But I didn't drink coffee then, so I didn't, coffee's an acquired taste for everybody,
He didn't appreciate it.
No, I didn't, and now I love coffee, so I'm a much bigger fan of red eye gravy.
Yeah. And I will say this too, if it's a little bitter, and that's why I do throw just a little piece of butter in there. You can add just a little bit of sugar, just a dash of sugar to cut down on the bitterness as well. If you don't like it, but like you said, it's an acquired taste.
It's definitely an acquired taste. It does go really, really well with the ham.
It does.
The saltiness of the ham, and I don't know why, I don't know what the pairing is, but it's delicious with the ham.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
And the grits.
And grits, yes.
Oh, that's delicious.
Good stuff.
It is delicious. Mm.
All right. Can't get no better than that.
I'm telling y'all.
I said, you want an egg or something with that? No, just give me what you got. So,
Really, I didn't even need the grits. I could just have the ham and the gravy.
I'm going to be eating the grits. I'm going to tell you that
Really?
right now.
I'm telling you, I don't know what it is, because really, the gravy by itself, it's like, and then it's the ham, it's like really salty.
is.
But if you put that on that ham,
pairs
it's like,
well.
wow.
It does.
I mean,
It
it's
pairs well.
awesome. It really is.
Yeah. You might find it in an old country restaurant.
Yeah,
you don't,
you won't find it many places anymore. I don't even know any commercial restaurants. I think
Maybe
Cracker
a
Barrel
few
used to
around-
make it, but they took it off the menu.
Yeah, and another thing you can add to it too, if you want it just to be a little bit more flavorful, is a little chicken broth, a little chicken bouillon powder flavor, whatever. Just a little pinch in that, and that is really good in it too. Now I kept it simple. I did not add any salt. Because we got that ham, honey.
No, you don't need no salt.
And so I just did some pepper and, of course, the bacon essence and a little butter. So I kept it simple, just like the traditional, how you would get it. But, honey, you feel free to spruce yours up any kind of way you want. You want to put a little garlic, a little onion powder, whatever.
I think country ham's still kind of a thing in our neck of the woods.
It is, yes. North Carolina,
my parents love country. My mama loves country ham. She would probably choose country ham over about any other meat. If you put all kind of steak or whatever, she'd probably pick country ham. She loves country ham. And I know it's not the best for our health, but it's what they grew up. They grew up. That's what they grew up on, though.
Yeah,
I know. Like I said, when you didn't have a refrigerator and you salt cured meat, that's what you ate.
You got what you got.
Yeah.
But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for dropping in.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy this old timey recipe here. Give it a try. Give us, if you don't know nothing about it, give it a try. It's
let us know if you make it in your.
Yeah, I'm curious as to where this is known, or if people know about it and stuff like that.
Yeah, and I love reading the comments. I know I say it a lot when I'm answering comments, that I love seeing where everybody's from, because I'm not gonna say nosy. I'm concerned.
She's concerned.
That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So I'm concerned. I'm not nosy, but it just fascinates me to see what you're eating in your area, and if you eat some of the things that I cook. So jump in them comments and let me know.
Yeah.
I'm bad about that. I'll look in people's grocery carts. I'm like, while I'm standing in line, I'm sitting there looking at people's carts and watching it go on the little on the register, and I'm thinking in my head, oh, what are they eating tonight? Yeah. I do that. I'm terrible at that. But anyway, love to know what everybody's eating. But anyway, y'all,
concerned.
I'm concerned.
Ain't nothing wrong with being concerned, y'all.
I'm not nosy. Concern sounds so much better.
Yes, concern. Absolutely.
Anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for
we
watching,
appreciate it. Thank you.
putting up with us.
Yeah.
Just loving on us. A big hugs and love back to everybody.
Yeah.
And until next time.